Welcome. If you're tired of GIFs automatically playing in your Telegram group chats on PC, you're not alone. Autoplay GIFs can be distracting, especially when you're trying to focus or save data and system resources. The good news is that Telegram gives you full control over this feature, and turning it off is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps together. First, go ahead and open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings without any issues. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Click on those lines to open the main menu. From the menu, scroll down and click on Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize how Telegram works for you. Inside Settings, find and click on Advanced. This section contains more detailed options that give you better control over your experience. Now, look for the section labeled In Groups. This is where you can manage how media behaves specifically in group chats. Once you're inside, you'll see an option related to GIFs. Simply disable the GIF autoplay setting. After that, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. And that's it.